Let's be completely honest. The recent history of the AMG GLC has been a total tragedy. Mercedes stripped away one of the greatest V8s ever made and replaced it with those uninspiring four-cylinder hybrid setups. Thankfully, those days are officially dead. Welcome to the new Mercedes-AMG GLC 53 Coupe, the emotional reset a Falterbach desperately needed. Under the hood is a heavily updated 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, pumping out a massive 450 horsepower and 640 newton-meters of torque. But forget the numbers. The real headline here is the acoustic drama. AMG completely redesigned the exhaust layout with advanced resonators to bring back those deep, throat-clearing mechanical notes. In Sport Plus mode, the snaps, cracks, and aggressive overruns make an enthusiast's heart flutter. Just listen.